Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to simply check if your Windows PC driver are in good shape. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. So the very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC keyboard, press Windows plus X, and this is going to pop up. Then press K. And this is going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to LT. Right click on that and make sure you click on property. That's going to take you right there. Next, go to hardware. Under the hardware right here, click on property and it's going to take you right here. This device is working properly. If you have issue with your driver on your Windows PC, you will be told right here. And how you can simply fix the problem of Windows driver. For you to do that, simply go to driver right here and make sure you click on update driver. So right here, you can choose different options to update your driver. You can search automatically for driver, or better still, use browser my computer to scan for driver. So I'm just going to choose this particular options right here and hit on next. Allow the scan to run completely. It's that simple. Just like what you see right here, the best driver for your device is already installed. But in some cases, if your driver is bad and it's affecting your system operation on your Windows PC, you'll be asked for search for update driver on your Windows update. And with that, you can install a new driver update on your Windows PC with as simple as that. So basically, this is how to check if your Windows PC driver is in a good shape and how you can fix a corrupt Windows driver on your Windows PC. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.